of us today is going to be dry with sunny spells and a scattering of showers, but heavier rain and stronger winds will move in to Northern Ireland through the day. I'll have all the details coming up. Bad actually, Roger. Good morning, everyone. We're looking at a chilly start. There's some frost across parts of Northern Ireland where temperatures have fallen below freezing. But for most of us, there'll be sunny spells, scattered showers, and then through the day we'll start to see some rain arrive in Northern Ireland. But we've got the remnants of yesterday's rain pushing away from northeast Scotland into the Northern Isles, and it will linger in Shetland. A lot of dry weather, the cloud bubbling up, producing some of those showers through the day. And then we've got an area of low pressure bringing this rain, which will be heavier, into Northern Ireland with strengthening winds. And by the end of the afternoon, it will make some progress into southwest Scotland, western parts of Wales and southwest England. Temperatures today, 9 to about 18 degrees. Now, through this evening and overnight, this area of low pressure bearing the rain pushes eastwards and towards the southeast. The strongest winds will transfer into the southwest and through the English Channel, and we'll see some clear skies develop. Temperatures in northeast Scotland in sheltered glens could fall low enough for a touch of frost, but generally speaking, it's not going to be as chilly a start to the day tomorrow morning as it is this morning. So we start off with the rain across parts of southern England. That will tend to fizzle out as we go through the course of the day. We'll have variable amounts of cloud, 1 or 2 showers, but again, a fair bit of dry weather around through the course of tomorrow. And as we head on into Thursday, more low cloud coming in from the North Sea, and it will feel cooler here as well. So Sal and Roger, the weather for the rest of this week really does remain fairly changeable.
We love that weather for us. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. If you're just stepping out, it's a chilly start to the day, especially so if you're in Aboyne in Aberdeenshire, where the temperature currently is 1 degree. London, it is 8. Real Edinburgh and Newcastle, we're looking at 7. Now, the forecast for today is one of sunny spells and scattered showers. We won't by any means all see a shower, but we also have low pressure coming in across Northern Ireland. That's going to introduce some heavier rain, and as you can see from the squeeze in the isobars, brisk winds through the Irish Sea in the southwest. But for the rest of us, we're looking at light winds, so any showers that develop will be slow moving. We've got yesterday's rain moving across the Northern Isles. It will remain across Shetland for much of the day. Then we'll see some cloud bubbling up, and that's what could produce some scattered showers. And at the same time, the rain will be coming into Northern Ireland. Some of this will be heavy. It will clip southwest Scotland, West Wales and southwest England later in the day. And don't forget the brisk winds. Temperatures 9 to about 18 degrees. Now, through this evening and overnight, that low pressure will continue to drift eastwards and southeastwards, taking its rain with it. The strongest winds transferring to the southwest of England and the English Channel. And under clearing skies, it's going to be a nippy night in the north. Cold enough in some sheltered glens for a touch of frost, but for the rest of us, it's not going to be as chilly start to the day tomorrow morning as it was this morning. So tomorrow we've got the remnants of that rain continuing to pull away and tending to fizzle out. We'll be left with a fair bit of cloud, some showers developing as we go through the course of the afternoon, but again, not all of us will catch one. And these are our temperatures: 13 in Aberdeen, 15 in Belfast and 16 in Cardiff. Then we start to see another weather front just starting to show its hand into the west on Thursday, but a ridge of high pressures across us, and around that we'll be seeing more of a northeasterly wind flow. So we'll have more cloud coming into the east from the North Sea. That will be drifting further west. The best of the brightness will be in the west, and here we'll see some of the highest temperatures as well. 18 in Cardiff, but feeling nippy under the cloud and also the breeze along the east coast. Now, as we head into Friday, this weather front, this clutch of them, makes a little bit more progress in from the west. The high pressure is still with us, that ridge of high pressure. So we still are going to see a bit more cloud at times coming in from the North Sea, still drifting westwards. And then we've got the rain coming in across Northern Ireland. It's not going to be particularly heavy. Could clip western Scotland, northwest England, Wales and the southwest as we go through the course of the afternoon. And a quick heads up on what's happening as we head in through the rest of the week, particularly into the weekend. There'll still be some showers around, but note the temperatures. By the time we get to Monday, 22 degrees once again in London. Sal and Roger.